Welcome to a new session. And in this session, we are going to see how to create a snapshot and copy that snapshot from one region to the another region, all right, to another region. The reason that we do this is the first reason is, let's say you want to copy some data from one region to another. So using the uh, AWS network is going to be a lot faster. The second one is, let's say, we created the AMIs, right? So we created a snapshot and then created the AMI. Let's say you want to move an AMI from one region to another. Or let's say you just want to copy a data dump from one region to another. So for all of these purposes, the snapshot copy is going to be helpful for us. Okay, so to start this, the first step that I have to do is I'm going to go into this instance which I already have, and I have this add-on volume, all right, which is mounted into the instance as new wall, right? So let me cd to the new wall 1, and let me do some operations there, ls-lrt, and I can see a lot of data in there, right? Okay, as a rule of the thumb, so whenever we are taking a snapshot, it is ideal that we stop the IO operations of the volume on which we are going to take a snapshot, because if we are going to be taking a snapshot and if there is going to be IO happening on that particular device, there are chances that the data loss may occur, okay, because when the snapshot is being taken and there is still IO happening to it. So to avoid this, the snapshot should be taken after having unmounted the volume on which we are going to take the snapshot, right? So that would be the first level of precaution. And remember, I'm just trying to repeat it again here, all right, never cut the branch on which you're sitting. So I am right now inside the new wall 1. So first step I have to do is I have to come out of it, all right. So let me come out of new wall 1. Okay, now let me try to unmount the new wall 1, unmount / new wall 1. It says unmount failed, operation not permitted. That was because I am not the root. Okay, so now let me try it again. Unmount umount / new wall 1, and it was successfully unmounted. So now if I look at the LSBLK, the XPDF volume is not mounted onto the OS. So the next step that I have to do is go and select the volume for which we need to take the snapshot. So this is the add-on wall, and I've already selected that. The next option is go and click on actions and click on create snapshot. So let me call this as snapshot add-on wall. All right, so if I wanted encryption, this is not encrypted, all right, so just leave it like that. Okay, and tags, I'm not going to be adding any tags at the moment, so let me just go ahead and create the snapshot. So what I can see here is the snapshot has been successfully created. Let me go to the snapshot and see what's happening here, and that was pretty quick. So the amount of time that is taken to create a snapshot depends upon the size of the volume on which you are trying to take a snapshot. This snapshot was almost instantaneous because the amount of data within the volume was very less. So that was one of the reasons, and also the entire volume size was just 2 GB. Because of that, we were able to see the snapshot get completed very fast. On the contrary, let's say if I'm going to be having a volume of size 1 TB, or let's say 500 GB also, that is going to take quite some time. All right, so you have to be monitoring this snapshot time when you're actually doing this, probably the first and the second time, and then you will understand how much time it takes for you. All right, so this is one of the normal tests that you'd have done in your environment also. All right, now that the snapshot is created, next what we want to do is we want to move this data from Northern Virginia to the Tokyo region. So how am I going to do that? So the first step is select the snapshot, click on actions, and go and select the copy snapshot. All right, so once I click on copy snapshot, it's giving me the snapshot ID from the original one. All right, so the description is already here. If you want to add something, you can do that, or else you can just leave it as it is. The next one is I have to add in the destination region. So I said I wanted to add it to the Tokyo region, right? So let me go from northern, let me switch to the Tokyo region, all right? So the Tokyo region is AP Northeast 1. That is the ID, the region ID. So let me go and select AP Northeast 1 here. And I'm not going to encrypt the snapshot. I'm not going to be encrypting the snapshot. I'll just leave it as it is. Copy snapshot. So by now, the snapshot should have started to copy to the Tokyo region. Alright, so let me click on snapshots here, and you see the current status is pending because the data has to be transferred from Northern Virginia to the Tokyo region. Sometimes it is quick. Yeah, see there, it's already done, and the snapshot status is completed and it's available to us. So that is how you are going to copy a snapshot from one region to the another one. All right. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next session.